Uh, as part of Python for AWS, let's continue. Next important topic is Python collection data types with the different examples. We've seen simple data types, simple data types. In simple data types, in a single variable, we can store only one value at a time. If you try to store new value, it will try to store new value. What happens? It will point to new object. So at a time, it can hold only one value. Let's say 10 is created, 10 object is created. A is pointing to this object. When you try to assign new value, it will create a new object, then Python releases reference of this one and Python assigns reference of new object. So at a time, a simple data type can hold only one value at a time. So to solve this problem, they introduced collection data types to store multiple values in a single variable. In a single variable, to store multiple values, to store multiple values, we use collection data types. We have different collection data types: tuple collection, list collection, set collection, frozen set collection, and dictionary collection. We have 5 important collection data types. So these 5 are very important collection data types. So we are going to discuss each collection data type with example. Okay. So the main purpose of collection data types to hold multiple values in a single data type, single variable. Okay.